If you live in the snow belt like I do, I'm sure you and your customers have experienced days where commutes double and road conditions are less than ideal for travel. Northeast Ohio doesn't even have the worst of it, and if you live in an area that gets a ton of snow, you likely deal with various customers who have different drivetrain vehicles. Let's talk about matching your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive customers' vehicles with the best tire solutions for winter driving. The best way for your customers to combat winter weather is obviously with winter tires, traction control, and all-wheel drive capabilities. However, customers with all three are rare, so helping folks who have four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive through winter could be tough for your dealership because customer expectations may be different than what you would recommend. For example, customers may be convinced that their four-wheel drive vehicle can handle any conditions. Without the right tires, this doesn't hold up. For multiple wheel drive vehicles, start with the owner's preferences and work your way backwards to recommend the right tire designs and sizes. For example, four-wheel drive customers may be convinced that they can't ever get stuck in the snow or mud. This may or may not be true, but they've already made up their mind that their vehicle can handle anything. In this case, it may be best to recommend an aggressive all-terrain or mud-terrain tire. Some customers may tell you that they prefer thick and aggressive tread in the winter, but these tires can provide a rough and noisy ride. If the customer values traction most, recommend a tire that has a combination of grip and comfort. Some vehicles offer two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive changes at the press of a button. So how do you sell to them? Fortunately for you, your dealership likely has a ton of options to fit their needs. However, it's important to not take your customers' readiness to buy lightly. Try to sell them the best products first and not sell down to them. Whether your customers have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive vehicles, don't forget that for the majority of their travels, even in adverse winter conditions, a majority of their drive will be on clear, nearly dry pavement. That means, whatever your recommendation, the tire should be able to perform on snowy, dry, and rainy roads. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.